Hello, my name is Vish Kolar. I'm part of Wireless Solutions business unit. What we have here is a replica of a use case that we have deployed at Hitachi Railcar factory. Hitachi Railcar factory is in Maryland, US, manufacturing railcars for the Washington, DC metro. They built a brand new factory to be able to cater to that demand. And they built a state-of-the-art factory of the future from ground up. This factory is very dynamic and has a lot of AGVs and AMRs moving around, and it looks like the futuristic world. As part of manufacturing rail cars, they have to do inspections at different stages of manufacturing process. And what it means is that they have to send an inspector once a certain stage is complete to be able to go inspect every part of the rail car and document that inspection and figure out if the part passed inspection or not. That actually is a big challenge for a highly dynamic environment like this factory. So in order to make this safe and easy and automate, they used Boston Dynamics robot to be able to go do the inspections autonomously. First focus on the undercarriage, and then they have the ability to go inside and record every critical part of the rail car for analysis in the using the computer vision applications in the back end. So all this is made possible by using the robotics from Boston Dynamics, consulting from our partner Slalom, and also the private 5G that is deployed that provides continuous connectivity to the robot to be able to stream those videos and pictures back to the back end for computer vision analysis and identifying defects and creating work orders. The whole process today has about 100 checkpoints, and the dog has all the cameras and sensors that it is equipped with that enables the dog to perform these inspections. And then once the inspection is complete, it goes back and sits on the dock and charges itself for getting ready for the next inspection.